Welcome to Solvus Mining Protocol, a new crypto airdrop mining platform that has been trending, and I've decided to give it a look. But before we get into the details, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research. I'm responsible for actions taken after watching this. So with that said, I'm saying to download on Google Play button, how it works. Sign up, mine, earn, right? 3 simple steps. Mining engine, 6-hour session with a real-time countdown. Boost system, mystery boxes, referral, secure wallet, daily streaks, and so on and so forth. Can we use this on this site? So without any further ado, let's hit the download button here. So we'll be redirected to the Google Play page. Let's hit the install button. While that's going on, let's see the about this app page. Mine SOLV stack rewards, the protocol rewards the active. Every knot you untie earns you SOLV. This is it. That's the whole idea. So app has been installed. Let's hit the launch button for the first time. So welcome back. That's for signing, but since I do not have an account ready, I click on create account. So it says it's going to be a welcome bonus of 5 SOLV. You provide your full name, your username, your email address. You choose a password, confirm password, and of course, my referral code will be in the description box of the video, so you copy it and you input it here. I also leave it on Telegram for easy copying. So a code will be sent to your provided email address. You go get it and input it here. Alright, looks like we are officially signed up and signed in at the same time. So let's click on the start mining button. So they have plenty of annoying ads, by the way. So I have entered the mining session, and this is my base rate, 0.5 SOLV per hour. Session lasts 6 hours. Watch an ad to start boosts, reset each session. Okay, so what's up? Let's explore. And the menu bar, there is the earn. So here you have your streak, 0.5 first day, 0.5 second day, 1 day 3. All right, so you can still join Telegram you can join their Telegram community to get additional 3 SOLV. You join Twitter, subscribe to YouTube, and you come back and claim the rewards. Alright, so that's that on the earn page, and then there is the mystery page. So you open boxes. Alright, so I have 2 solve. I've just claimed. Alright, so after watching an ad, you can open the next one and open the next one, but remember, all of them come at some annoying ads. So let's go to the wallet, which is the last on the menu bar, and it says I currently have 16 SOLV. Okay, so I haven't set up a wallet. Set up your wallet to secure your SOLV tokens and get a personal address. So let's set up a wallet ready. Let me create a new one. Unless you have one ready, you can just import, but let me create a new wallet. So you're going to receive your words, right? So you have to back them up. After backing it up, you come back and you click on I have written it down. So on the next page, you are to confirm, right, what is word number 2, something like that. Not necessarily the same as mine. So after confirming some random words, just to be sure, just to prove that you saved your phrase, you come back and you create a pin, a 6-digit pin, and you confirm it by entering the same pin again, and your wallet is created. Go tap receive above here, and you can get your wallet address and send SOV to it. So guys, that's Solvus Protocol, Solvus as some might call it, and the airdrop is live. So let's see the menu. So from here you can see your profile. You can see how many mining sessions you've participated in, your referral code. If you want to change your email address, you can do that here, and of course update. Announcements. New update is live. Welcome to Solvus Mining. So here is the Solvus official Twitter page, Solvus Protocol. By following them, you can now access, or rather you can have access to their subsequent updates as time goes on, right? So there you have it, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and understand better what the project is about. Do have a wonderful moment. Bye-bye.